I'm out here with Jellybean's monster car, Jellybean and Dave is designing a bumper for it, and I like how it's coming along. So he's going to box in the side there, and then he's probably going to do a flat section of metal on the lower two bars, and I think it'll be a real good look.
Using the trusty CAD design.
Yeah, he'll draw it up in CAD, probably send it to our buddy Casey to laser cut out at his fabrication shop.
Yeah, TTI Fabrication, they're awesome.
Yeah, TTI Fabrication. And then Dave will weld it up. Looking good. It's a little bit dark out here, but how we've done the cardboard there, Dave's really mastered cutting it out and fitting it, and we all put a little bit of creativity into our ideas on it, and I think that looks going to look really good. It's kind of going to look kind of factory, but kind of a Mad Max kind of look. And then we'll probably put the turn signal light on top of that. Either maybe move one of these round lights and stick it in here, or get a smaller one for the orange. I think it will look quite good, but I guess Dave and Jellybean will decide that what looks good.